Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be making a crypto market overview and also reviewing some of my favorite tools for participating in the crypto market. I've been in crypto for the past 10 years and I had my fair share of crypto market tools. So here it is. To start with, we have TradingView. TradingView is one of my favorite tools. It allows me to outlay a lot of indicators from a single location, which is pretty cool considering the fact that, crypto can be really complex. So this centralizes a lot of the data that I need. And it also connects with my favorite crypto exchange, which is OKX. And with the click of a button, you can start actually trading on top of the TradingView interface. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, I'm giving you a brief market update. So what's really going on in the markets in general, not just the crypto market, is that over the past couple of months, there's been uncertainty with regards to what the current administration is going to do with the tariffs, with the trade war, with China, with Mexico, with Canada. So usually there's, right now there's a lot of instability in, what the current administration is going to do in terms of foreign policy and internal monetary policy as well. Gold actually reached an all-time high recently due to the fact that there's a lot of uncertainty with investors. There's uncertainty not just in the U.S. but in Europe, there's Israel, there's Ukraine, there's all these different factors, geopolitical factors that are causing uncertainty in the market, and obviously this trickles down to crypto because it's a risk-on asset. So the S&P, again, has been falling around 10% over the past couple of months, and bringing along with it has been also Bitcoin dumping around 20% from its all-time high. And again, this is, I don't think this is the end. I don't think this is like the macro bear market we're actually going to be having, but I think this is really just a natural pullback for the market. The market was heated up a little bit, so the natural pullback. And so another thing that I noticed is that Bitcoin in this cycle has been mainly dominating the returns. So a lot of the returns in crypto have been coming from Bitcoin. So, and the laggards have been obviously altcoins. So Ethereum has barely reached its all-time high. Solana has barely reached its all-time high. So I think the next leg up in the crypto market is going to be coming from the altcoins because they've been lagging. And so a lot of the profits that are being baked in Bitcoin are going to roll into altcoins and thus cause a rally in the altcoin market. This is usually what happens around, mid-market cycle in crypto. So I think this is, what we're going to be looking at on the next couple of months. So another thing that happened is also interest rates remained unchanged by the Federal Reserve today. Today's March 19th, 2025. And, some of the sightings from the Federal Reserve meeting was there's a lot of uncertainty, again, because of the current administration, the trade war, and again, geopolitical tensions. But nevertheless, I think that the market will eventually come back to normality. I think that, the trade, the tariffs are going to be solved and there's going to be a deal between, these different countries that the U.S. is having a conflict with. And also, I think that the geopolitical instabilities in Israel and Ukraine and in Europe in general are going to solve themselves with good foreign policy. And this is just my expectation. I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but I don't think that, especially for crypto, I don't think that this is the end. I think that this is a normal pullback, and in the next couple of months we're going to be looking at an altcoin rally. Now, going to the tools that I use for crypto, again, the tool I use for trading is OKX, and I connected to TradingView, like I said. And I'm going to give you a brief overview of what, the power of OKX. I like that OKX combines power with simplicity. It's not all cluttered and crowded like Binance, where you go in and you don't really know what to do. I've been in crypto for the past 10 years, and even when I'm in Binance, I don't exactly know what to do sometimes because there's too many options, too many buttons, so I need to think what to do. And this is not a good user journey. So I like the fact that OKX has a simple, intuitive, and powerful UX UI that makes it easy to use. So, in OKX, you can do P2P trading, which essentially means that they connect you with a third-party provider that's either buying or selling crypto, so you could buy or sell crypto and then deal with that third party individually. But OKX provides the block trades for you to either buy or sell. So then the deal is made between you and the other individual. But I like that OKX provides you this option as well. And then obviously when you go to the Discover tab, you get markets. You have all these different markets. You got futures, options, and spot as well. And you can also use this data, which is free. And this is something I use from time to time for trading. You take a look at the futures and spot BTC short ratio. You can do this for many coins, but for instance, this ratio is the amount of people that are short or long on a specific coin. So for instance, if it's down here, usually there's more people that are short. If it's up here, more people that are long. And it's got a good idea to take a look at it to get a gauge on the market. You can take a look at the USDC and USDC premium. So the differences between these stable coins, open interest, taker flows, implied volatility skew. And again, this is all free data you can use from OKX to enrich your trading decision making. Pretty complete. And there's also arbitrage data that you can use to exploit arbitrage opportunities in USDT, USDC, or crypto margin. And so there's all this different data, all these different types of data that you can use to enrich your trading experience, and it's all free in OKX. So I really like that. When it comes to the Discover tab, to the Trade tab, you can go and, this is simple conversions. You can go from one coin to another really quickly and really intuitively. And, you can trade all the assets that are in the OKX platform. So there's also spot, so you can trade spot, you can trade futures, perpetual futures, also futures that are expiring, options, and there's also this nice thing that there's trading bots. And trading bots, really what it is you can copy or essentially use these different bots, swing bots, grid sniper bots, even bots that are more passive, like this one, small recurring buy, and essentially have like a strategy without you having to manage it. So it automates a lot of the strategy of trading or investing in crypto. So there's 850,000 bot traders, and you can choose the different types of bots that you want: bullish, bearish, sideways, slicing bots. So there's a lot of optionality here for when it comes to automating your crypto investing strategy. And there's also marketplace. And marketplace, I don't know what they call it marketplace, but really what it is, it's again more bots, but you can also copy traders down here. And these future or spot traders, you can copy them and essentially, copy their trades and essentially have a performance tied to their specific operation. So, it's also a good option to have, especially within an exchange. If you're starting out and you just want to automate a lot of your strategies, you can take a look at whatever strategy you want to invest in. It's also backtested, so you take a look at what their P&L has been, and in order to make the right decision. And so, a lot of metrics here as well. I like the fact that OKX provides nice amount of data for every feature that they have, and this really enriches the trading experience. Again, it's data that they provide without overwhelming you, so that's, another thing that I really like about it. Another nice thing about OKX is the fact that they can provide institutional tools. So if you grow to become a larger trader, if you're an institution, you can go ahead and also participate through the OKX institutional tools. So a recent tool that I discovered is let me take a look at, if you take a look at the Explorer, the Mainnet Explorer, you can actually explore on-chain data from a variety of different blockchains. And there's over 60 blockchains that you can take a look at here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, it doesn't matter. You can actually analyze the blockchain. You can analyze its transactions, you can analyze its volume, and you can choose what layer you want to use. And right now we're in the X layer, which is by OKX, but there's again 62 networks you can choose from. You can decide to analyze, let's say, the Solana layer, and this will enable you to have a nice on-chain viewpoint of what's going on in the Solana blockchain. So it's pretty nice, and also you have all the links that you need to analyze Solana as well. So if you're thinking of buying a specific coin, this is a very powerful tool set that you can have in your arsenal. Another nice thing about OKX is the fact that it actually connects with Web3. So if you connect your wallet, whatever is MetaMask or Rabby or Wallet Connect, or its own, their own native wallet, OKX wallet, you can actually interact with the DeFi liquidity ecosystem. So you can take a look at, for instance, meme coins. You can take a look at just traditional, normal, ultra low cap cryptos that you can buy here, and it's kind of like really interacting with a just traditional DeFi liquidity ecosystem. But in this case, it aggregates multiple protocols and multiple cryptos into a single interface. And I like the fact that you can actually analyze these different coins and tokens. And so let's say if you want to go here, buy this token, you can connect your wallet and then buy or sell a specific amount. So I really like the fact that it really aggregates. For instance, if you want to buy radium, you can just connect your wallet and then buy or sell. I really like the fact that you can be trading in centralized exchange to OKX, but also be trading on the other side of the coin, which is decentralized finance. And so this really brings an enriching experience to the trader who wants to participate not just in centralized exchange, but also in decentralized exchange. And so the fact that they connect this ecosystem really easily is really, really valuable and provides a robust trading experience for market participants in general. So this is my review of OKX. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest events on not just traditional finance, but also crypto. And see you next time.